If you gave me a laptop today and I told you I had to start over from zero, these are the 5 AI tools I'd use to build products, create content, and potentially make money online. The interesting part, that most people are using AI to write emails. I've done it myself, but as times are evolving, I'm using it to build businesses. This is what we're trying to do for our journey. Today, I'm going to show you the exact tools I'll be using throughout this entire journey. Let's jump in. If you watched yesterday's video, you know that I'm documenting my journey building AI-powered income streams, SaaS products, digital products, and sharing everything publicly. Today, I want to show you the actual tools behind my workflow. These are not sponsored. Nobody paid me to mention them. These are simply the tools I use every day, and together they help me move faster than ever before. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Everyone's used it. I use it every day. If I could only keep one AI tool, it would be ChatGPT. Not because it writes content, because it helps me think. I use ChatGPT for business ideas, product planning, marketing strategies, content creation, research, problem solving, product requirements, landing page copy. I use it for everything. For example, if I'm building a new SaaS product, I'll often start with ChatGPT and ask, what problems do freelancers struggle with? Or help me validate this business idea. Or create a product roadmap for this SaaS, XYZ, whatever it may be. Instead of spending hours staring at a blank page, I can start moving immediately. The key isn't asking ChatGPT for answers, it's using it as a thinking partner, as a business partner even. The second tool is Figma. Every product I build starts here. Sometimes I'm using it in conjunction with Claude and using Figma MCP to build out things a little bit faster, and Stitch from Google as well. So this happens before writing any code, before using AI, before building anything. I design. Figma allows me to quickly visualize ideas. I'll create wireframes, user flows, landing pages, mobile screens, SaaS dashboards, design systems. One of the biggest mistakes founders make is building too early. I prefer designing first, getting a lay of the land, building out a nice workflow. It's much easier to move boxes around in Figma than rebuild an entire application later. So today, Figma is basically my digital whiteboard. Tool number 3. This is where things get interesting. And I can't express this enough because Lovable has completely changed how I build software, even started building software. And a few years ago, building a SaaS product meant hiring developers or learning how to code yourself. So today I can describe what I want, generate working applications significantly faster. For example, PayPing, the company that I told you that the SaaS product that I'm building yesterday, the invoicing platform is much of that workflow started inside Lovable. I use it to build MVPs, create dashboards, CRMs, build customer portals, test ideas quickly, launch products faster. The keywords that you'll hear and throughout all these videos that I'm going to be making is the speed, the quickness, the how fast you can get things out there. The speed is honestly crazy. It's insane. You don't spend months. You can build something within days. So instead of spending months, you can create something in a few days, maybe in a couple hours even. It's just insane. Tool number 4. This one surprises people, but Pinterest isn't really an AI tool, but it's one of the most important tools in my workflow. Before designing anything, I gather inspiration and references, whether it's SaaS dashboards, mobile apps, landing pages, marketing campaigns, branding. I create boards and collect references. Most people start designing from scratch. I don't. I start by studying what already works. There's no reason why you should reinvent the wheel. A lot of people have already done things that works fantastic, and you can just apply those, move some stuff around. Maybe you like a certain component from one design and you have another design, bring them all together to make it into one cohesive design. Then I combine those ideas into something unique. Good design isn't magic, it's pattern recognition. Pinterest helps me collect those patterns quickly. The fifth tool is actually a collection of tools, and these include websites like, and I'll be leaving the links in the description below, so they're very easy for you to access. And I'm probably pronouncing some of these wrong, but the list is 21st.dev, Magic UI, Ace Eternity UI, Origin UI, and ShadCN. These libraries contain pre-built components and inspiration, things like hero sections, pricing tables, dashboards, forms, animations, navigation systems. Instead of reinventing everything, like I said before, I study proven components. These are already done for you, DFY. These dramatically, it speeds up the development. I can't stress that enough, how fast you just basically copy the code, you can screenshot it, put it into your AI, and it'll apply that same exact animation, design, what have you. Sometimes I find an idea, I modify it, I improve it, and make it work for my project. It's one of the biggest productivity hacks available right now. Put it in your favorites, bookmark it, because you will be coming back to these to use in all your projects. So here's my actual workflow. Step 1, use ChatGPT to brainstorm and validate an idea. Step 2, use Pinterest and component libraries to gather inspiration. Step 3, design the experience in Figma or whatever tool that you feel comfortable in designing in. Step 4, build the MVP using Lovable. Step 5, launch, test, gather feedback, and improve, right? That's the exact process I use for most projects. It's simple, it's fast, and it's highly effective. Over the next few weeks, you'll see me use all of these tools in real projects, no fake examples, real products, real experiments, real wins, and probably some real failures too. And tomorrow, I'm going to show you how you can actually find business ideas using AI and a few other websites, which I will link in the description for the next video, and how I decide which ideas are even worth building, because you don't want to spend all your time not validating an idea and you don't be successful. We all want to be successful, so let's follow the steps that, at least what I think are the correct steps, because this is, again, an AI journey that I'm going on, and I'm looking at what worked for me when I use tools like ChatGPT for doing some research. If you're interested in AI product design, SaaS startups, automation, or building businesses online, make sure you're subscribed. Let me know in the comments, what's that one AI tool you use the most right now? I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.